Hi there, my name is Sam from resitance.com. You might know me from our previous drop test. If you don't, feel free to watch it here. Today we want to take our drop test to the next level. We want to let the iPhone 12 Pro drop from around 100 meters. We usually don't do videos like this, but we thought this phone needed a special treatment. Since Apple said the iPhone is 4 times more drop resistant, we wanted to see if that's really true. In fact, yes, it is true. It can withstand easily 13 drops from 1 meter height. So let's see how it's handling a 100 meter drone drop. For that, let's go outside. First, we had to prepare the iPhone. We taped a little sling onto the phone so that we can mount it to the drone. After that, we had to take our equipment and everything to a space where we could let the drone fly without the risk of hurting someone. We had the permission to take off from the private property. It still works, as you can see. Now, let's see if it still works after we let it drop from 100 meters. We do this on a private property, so don't do this at home. As you can see, we had the drone at around 100 meters. Let's let the phone drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. Yo. Oh shit. Shit. That was loud. Let's see. Before we go and see the result of the drop, let's rewind and explain what we exactly did. So we hung the phone with a strap on a hook, which we mounted to the drone. Then we rose the drone up to 100 meters. To let the iPhone drop, we had to shift the drone abruptly to the left, so that the drone slips from the hook. And now, enjoy the drop. Okay, the back is totally shattered. The screen still works, but here, it actually still works. But yeah, as you can see, it is like totally damaged. And that's the back. Woo. But yeah, let's take a closer look back in the studio. Okay, here it is. I gotta say, I thought the phone would have been more damaged than this. But let's take a closer look. Let's start with the back. The back is totally shattered. You can actually see the electronic from inside the phone. I think if we wouldn't have had the tape around it, the glass would have been totally broken out. As you can see, the lens of the ultra-wide camera also broke. Let's see if the camera still works. So let's turn around the phone and check out how the screen handled the impact. The screen definitely broke, but it still works in some parts, which is ridiculous. Okay, let's get into the camera and see if it still works. The rear camera system is not functioning. Now let's see the front camera. It is actually still working, which is incredible. And we tested if the phone function still works. And yes, the phone still works. You can receive and answer phone calls. I gotta say that the frame has some scratches, but other than that, it did not deform. The phone is damaged, but it somehow still works. What do you think? Should we get it fixed and do a giveaway with it? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Till then, take care and see you soon.